I'm Stephanie Walker from Bullhead City, Arizona. I've worked in the auto body industry since I was in high school. I started out in an auto body shop doing repairs, paint, things like that. And then I worked as an estimator for the auto body shop. And I also worked for insurance companies as well, doing estimating and arbitration. So I chose Ding King. I actually just Googled it, and that was the first one that came up, and it did look like the most legit website. I also looked at some other places, but I called Ding King, and they sent me a packet of information, and I looked through, and it seemed like it was the best that I could find. And why I went for PDR is I just want to do something that I can run my own business and make my own schedule. And all I know is cars, so it was just something that came to my brain. I've seen people do it before in the past in the body shops, and I've always been really interested in it, so I wanted to try it myself. When I first came, we just started at the little things, just trying to do our high points and get them down flat. And my body hurt the first week really bad. I didn't realize how intense it would be on my legs and my arms. But now that I'm in my last day, I'm doing a lot better, and I'm getting things out that I didn't even think I could get out. Like right now I'm working on one that's on a body line, and it's coming out really, really good. So yeah, we started out just working on the hoods first, and then we transitioned over into working on the real vehicle. So I'm actually working on an aluminum hood on a real vehicle right now, which aluminum's a lot more difficult than just a regular steel. So the facility is really awesome. They have so much different opportunities, from the paintless dent repair to detailing, also window tinting some of the guys have done here, and then also they do a business marketing class that we did yesterday, and we got to know the ins and outs of how to market our business, and they also taught us today how to do estimating on an estimating system that they have, and the instructors are fabulous. They are here for us whenever, even when we go back home. They said we can come and call them, and if we have any questions, send them pictures, and it's just great. Thank you, Ding King.